One last thing to take a look at here is doing some fuzzing with Z-Attack proxy. Now, this is similar to some of the attacks that we were doing with Burp Suite and doing some intruder sorts of things. So fuzzing gives me the ability to actually do some playing around with different parameters. So you can see I've actually got a request here. I've got a get on this union1.php, and we can see that there are two parameters. There's an admin and a union name. So what I want to do here is I actually want to play with the admin parameter. So I'm going to select that parameter, and then I'm going to select fuzz. Now, I've got some categories here. I'm actually going to select SQL injection just for fun here, and now we'll pick one of the fuzzers to use. We'll use active SQL injection, and now I can do a fuzz. So I've got 200 OKs coming back from all of these, and if I select one of them, you can see the request that was sent. Now let's take a look at the response and see what we got for data. So we've actually got a SQL error here. We've got access denied for user root at localhost. So we're getting some interesting information back because it looks like there may be some possibilities for doing SQL injection, since we're actually getting a SQL error back from the attack that we're running. So maybe what we want to do is we're going to go back to the request here, and I'm going to go back to, I'm going to select admin again, and I'm going to select the parameter all the way up to union name, and I'm going to do fuzz again, and this time I'm going to do SQL injection. If I can find it, I'm going to do SQL injection, and I'm going to do MySQL injection, and we're just going to run that fuzz. So what did I get for a response here? Because it looks like I've got successful here, and I've got a state of reflected. So let's take a look at what we got. Well, what we got is actually just the error message again. If I take a look at successful, one of these over here, again, we're still getting error messages. But that gives me some hints that maybe there's some vulnerabilities with SQL injection in these particular parameters, and it may just take some more work and digging to see what I can do and maybe get around this access denied error somehow. So that's how you would do fuzzing and be able to quickly and easily do a lot of parameter adjustments in a pretty short period of time.